So now it's time to understand what are the practice tips when you're going to do practice you need to follow. One thing is there, practice with short passages. I have mentioned around 10 to 15 short passages for your better comprehension and your better reading. So practice with short passages. Second is, don't forget to review the structure. What is the structure of the paragraph? You need to understand that. Main idea, then examples, then supporting sentences, how the paragraph is all about, where are the facts and opinions. So review the structure of the paragraph whenever you do the reading. Then practice with a timer. How much time is it taking for you to read the passage and to understand it? After that, stop the timer and then take a pause and then go for the question and answers. So this way you will be able to understand and get a good grip or gauge on to how much time is it taking for you to solve a particular small or big passages. Okay, so practice with a timer, review your answers, how many answers you have done and how much of them are right in real, in literal sense rather than your imagination. Okay, so review your answers. Are all of them right? 70% of them are right, 60%, 90% of them are right. Check that and have a trace onto it. Then improve your vocabulary is also one thing. When you keep improving a vocabulary as per the topic, it helps you in reading, as I have been saying it constantly. Now, one thing is there, what I have done for you in the reading part, I have made you 20 final tests. 10 for your comprehension, where you check your comprehension. Those are like some are very basic level, mediocre level, and some are high level. So there is a mixed match of 10 papers which has different levels. So you need to appear the comprehension test as well, and simultaneously you need to appear for sample 10 test of reading section of TOEFL. This way you get a good grip, good gauge onto it. So keep practicing and appear for the good results. Okay, all the best. Thank you.